Hello guys and welcome to another special episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. This is Attorney B and today guys we are here at the Grove City Card Fest Mega Sports Card Show. So do you want to see the inside of the show? Let's find out! Hello guys, so we're here with my nephew Theo and niece Lady, and we are here at the show. So this is a gymnasium full of Pokemon cards. So there's another gym that's full of other sports cards, ano. Pero ito puro Pokemon lang. Yan, it's all here. And it's a big show. So there you go guys, ayan. So ang dami. You can see the prices, talagang hot na hot ang mga Pokemon cards. Hello guys, so I am here with Bonnie. He's also a Filipino. And Bonnie, can you tell me how long have you collected the Pokemon cards?
I collected when I was a kid. Sa Pilipinas pa.
Pilipinas pa? Ah, nice. So for your Cagayan, parehong Bisaya tayo.
Ako lang Bisaya.
Okay. And when did you came here sa US?
2005.
Okay. Since 2005, nandito ka na? Okay. So,
I got
ayan.
back into collecting 2017.
Okay. So when did you kailan ka naman nagtinda na ng Pokemon cards?
Kahit sa 2017.
2017 you started?
Kasi ang mahal.
I see.
Ito yung way na matustusan ang pagtago ng cards.
Ayan. So yan guys, yung mga kanyang cards. Oh. Grabe ang gaganda.
May one piece ako na.
Oh, he has a one piece, ayan. Hindi ko alam to pero he's selling it for $10,000. Yan.
Marami ito na card.
Meron din siya, 12,000. Oh, this one, Psyduck na Legendary Collection, $30,000. Ayan. Umbreon VMAX. Tapos ito, gusto ko to. Itong Van Gogh. Ayan. So,
Marami akong cards kapon, pero
naubos na? Grabe. So, Bonnie, ano ang masasabi mo sa Pokemon ngayon? Is it time to buy ba or time to sell? Ha?
It's always time to buy.
Time to buy.
I have cards from 2017.
Yeah.
Ang price sa 17 until now is like probably like 3,000 times.
Wow. Okay. Tapos, do you have an Instagram or... Sige, can you tell it sa audience natin? Yan, para at least ma-follow ka nila. And if they want to buy or sell, ayan. So, ito yung kanyang Instagram account, guys.
Tapos pupunta rin ako sa mga collectacon. Ito, nakita ko si voice ni Ash sa anime.
Nice. Ayan, so, yan, follow niya lang si Bonnie guys. Sobrang bait and hindi kayo lolokohin. Ayan, tapos share natin kasi sa sobrang bait niya, binigyan niya si Pio ng isang card is Pikachu VMAX. Ayan. So guys, follow niya lang siya ha. Ayan, thank you. So we are here guys at the second gym. And this is where the sports cards are here. So as you can see, this one is bigger. It has more than 200 tables. So we'll check what's here. Ayan guys, dami dito. Daming mga cards. Ayan.
You go to a couple different things where you offer next day shipping.
I'm Tom.
All right.
Ganda nito guys. Michael Jordan autograph. So here are the prices of the unopened boxes. So there. Encore 3,000. Parang mahal na. Yan, SP. Ito Ionix, $2,000. Hello guys, grabe. Napagod ako dun sa kakaikot. And kuha ko lang ito. So I have an Alex Ayala Silver RC for 50 cents. Diba? So, sulit na rin. Kasi nakakuha tayo nito. So, ayan guys, till the next time. Bye!